Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to fix the problem that no longer turn on after it's turned off on its own. When this happens, your phone may seems like it's turned off and will no longer respond to the user procedure you do. For instance, it won't respond if you press the power key, like this is the power key here, and or even you press any other key, it will be not working. So what you should follow, first of all, here there is two buttons at the left, so you just press for long 12 seconds continuously. If it's not working, then try again, press down volume button and power button together for 12 seconds or maximum 30 seconds. Hold continuously until it's get reset by itself. And if it's not working at all, this means you have to take to the professional mobile makers repair shop to solve the issue, see if there is any other issue with this mobile. So I faced it today, but it's working fine. It was switched off whole day. So as I told you, just follow the steps and hopefully it's work for you. Thank you for watching this video.